Happy Halloween, friends. It's Friday, October 31st, and today I am dressed as, can you guess? He's right back here. Today I am Pete the Cat. So we're going to read some Pete the Cat stories, and we're going to start with Pete the Cat, Trick or Pete. This is by James Dean. It's Halloween. Pete the Cat is excited to go trick-or-treating in his superhero costume. I hope nothing too spooky happens, says Pete. Don't worry, says Pete's dad. We have our flashlights. Let's go trick-or-treating, says Pete. Boo! Pete and his dad walk outside. Whoosh! It's just an owl. Oops. The wind rustles the leaves. Pete sees something moving in the tree. It's just an owl. That wasn't too spooky, says Pete. They arrive at a neighbor's house. Pete rings the bell. He hears a strange sound coming to the door. It's just Callie, Pete says. She's not too spooky. Callie joins Pete and his dad trick-or-treating. At the next house, there is something in the yard. Phew, it's just a scarecrow, says Pete. That's not too spooky. Pete rings the doorbell. Trick-or-treat, says Pete and Callie. Awesome costume, says Pete. Very spooky, but not too spooky. Thank you, says Miss Gold, the crossing guard. At the next house, there is something glowing on the steps. Cool, says Pete. Jack-o'-lanterns. Callie rings the doorbell. Trick or treat, says Pete and Callie. It's Pete's teacher. One piece of candy, she says. Suddenly, they hear something behind them. What was that? Asked Callie. It's just our friend Emma, says Pete. Not spooky, but groovy. One last house and then we'll go home, says Pete's dad. Pete rings the doorbell. Ding dong. Yikes, it's a spooky ghost, screams Pete. Don't be silly, Pete. It's just me, says Grandma. Callie and Pete get treats and hugs. Trick-or-treating wasn't spooky at all. It was actually full of sweet surprises. Happy Halloween. Bye, friends.